Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the Chanel O card holder. So if you're interested about this piece, then just please keep on watching. So before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So this is the packaging that my card holder came in. I also got a little cute Chanel bag, but it's stored away in my closet, so I couldn't get it out. But yeah, let's just take a moment and appreciate this Chanel packaging because OMG is it impressive. I love this packaging so much. I was so surprised, and it was just such an experience to buy from the Chanel boutique, and I think this is my all-time favorite packaging from every other luxury brand. It just feels so luxurious and just so beautiful. It's very soft, and it just makes you feel like your money is very well spent. This is the classic camellia that came with my box. I was so surprised when I bought this and felt this camellia. It is so soft and it's just so beautiful. So I just stuck it on the box and it looks so cute on my shelf. It just says Chanel right there, and I did do an unboxing of this card holder, so if you want to go check it out, I will leave a link above. But before we get into this, I just wanted to show you what came with it. So this is the receipt. So beautiful. It just has the sales associate card and also my receipt. So I did buy this at the Short Hills Mall, and I paid $453.16, and I feel like for this card holder it is a great price because this card holder acts like a big wallet, honestly, and I will explain that later because I'm going to show you guys what I can fit into this card holder and everything like that. So yeah, just wanted to show you the receipt. This is the lovely, amazing dust bag. I love the way this dust bag feels. It's very like thick and luxurious feeling. It's like a suede kind of material. It's just so beautiful. Just says Chanel on the front of it. I don't know if you could tell. There we go. So the one that I got is the Chanel O card holder in the classic caviar leather with this bright red color, and I don't remember the exact name of this color, but it is so beautiful. As soon as I saw it, I was literally like, oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I had to get it. It was between this one, a tan one that was really cute, and then also the classic black one. I just went with this color because I had a wonderful essay that helped me, and he said that if you want this color really bad, I would get it because Chanel, once they put out a color, they don't usually remake the color again, so it will never be seen again. So that's what kind of sold me because I knew I wanted this as soon as I saw it. So yeah, it's just this beautiful color, and he also said that it's good to get a bright color because if you're in your bag, it's easy to see and everything. So I totally agree. It is an eye stopper. I've gotten so many compliments on this card holder.
Before we get started, I just remind myself, I usually don't say this in my videos because I mean it's pretty common sense, but when I do these videos, I'm no way in shape or form bragging, you know, I just show you guys, and I personally love watching these kinds of videos on YouTube, like reviews of pieces, because for me personally, when I want to get something or invest my money into a piece, I like to see other people's reviews on that piece to see if it's really worth it. Also to see how the unboxing comes, and it's just like a total experience to watch a video of someone else buying something, and it's just so much fun to watch, and I just love watching these kinds of videos, so I'm just helping someone that months to buy this piece, hopefully, but I'm not bragging at all, like, really not at all. So if you're not in this kind of thing, then just click on the video, that easy, just hit the red X button if you don't have to watch this video, so yeah, simply don't watch it if you're not into it.
Anyway, yeah, this is the, kind of lost my train of thinking. This is the Chanel O card holder, and it has one pocket in the front, two pockets in the back, and also a middle compartment. And then it has the light gold champagne hardware, which I love. It just makes it pop more. I love it. It is so durable, this card holder. I did hear that the caviar leather is way more durable than the lambskin, which I totally agree. And I'm so happy that it came with the caviar leather. And I will show you guys like a close-up so you can actually see. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna stuff, sorry, blurry. Okay, is it still blurry? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna stuff this case, and then I'm going to show you what can fit in here, because it can fit a ton, let me tell you. So I have a bunch of cards here. I don't want to show you the front of it because it has all my information, but I have a lot of cards here, so I'm just going to put each card in each slot and show you guys. So this is the card holder stuffed. It has 3 cards in this slot, another 3 in this slot, and also another 3 in this slot. Not only that, but I can also fit cash right in the middle of it perfectly comfortably. So I just have $40 here, and there we go. That simple, and it's just amazing. I love this card holder so much. This is probably my favorite SLG in my collection. I also have an SLG collection video, so go check it out. But yeah, I love this card holder so much. I just wanted to make a video explaining this for people that are iffy about this card holder, so I hope I helped you guys. So I'm just going off by my phone. This is the classic card holder in the green calfskin in gold tone metal hardware. It retails for $425 plus tax, and the dimensions are 7.5 by 11.2 by 0.5 centimeters. Each slot is very giving. I've had card holders where I literally had to break them in for weeks upon weeks until they actually were functionable, which was terrible. But for this one, I literally put all my cards in and it was just ready to be used that day. So this was a short video, but I hope I helped someone that was wondering if they should get this card holder. Please let me know if you have this card holder, what color you have, and all that. I would love to know. If you guys have any questions about this card holder, please leave them down in the comments down below. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.